BBC News at 9 o'clock. The Duke of Edinburgh is said to be comfortable at St Bartholomew's Hospital in London after he was convicted of trying to bribe a judge after he had left office. He's being investigated by Irish authorities after he apologised for his actions. Prince Philip, who's 99, will serve his 3-year jail term at home with an electronic tag and have tests sitting on a dead horse. The UN's Under-Secretary-General Mark Lowcock said this was excellent news.
It's absolutely marvellous.
BBC News.